Hello. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Okay, this is Ermias.
Yes. That's you.
Okay, I'm calling from Addis Ababa. I have a package for you from Mr. Samuel from America.
Chala.
So, can you come and get your package? Can you? Hello, sir. Can you come and get the package? Can you come and get the package? Sir, are you Mr. Ermias? Hello? Hello, sir. Hello? Hello? Hello, sir.
Yes.
So, who is this? Who is this? Who is this?
Ermias.
Oh, there must be some problem, like your phone was not working. Your phone was not working. I was calling you.
About what?
You have a package from America?
Yes.
You know Mr. Samuel? He said you are a sibling.
Yeah, my brother.
Is your brother, right?
Yes.
So, can you come and take the package? He sent you some gifts.
Okay. Tell me your information.
Okay, I'm in Addis Ababa, around Bole.
Around Bole?
Yes.
Okay.
So, can you meet me there?
I'm around Nakam. You know Nakam?
No. Where is it?
I'm coming another day.
I'm going back after 1 day, so can you come today? I'm leaving tomorrow.
Okay. Now I'm my brother there. I don't know there this time.
So how far is it from Addis Ababa?
I'll call you later. First, calling my brother Samuel.
Okay.
Sorry.
No. I'm saying that, like, can you come today? Today.
Today?
Yes.
Okay.
Is there any airplane around Nakamd?
No.
No airplane?
Yeah.
How many hours does it take?
It's 7 hours. I mean.
What?
Huh?
How far?
7.
Can you get a bus?
Yeah.
Today? Can you get the bus today from Nakamd to here?
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Okay then, okay.
Okay.
Maali garuu ati afaan Oromoo fitinatti naasoftu? Afaan Oromoon beektu maa Ingiliffaan natti haasoftu?
Irmi. Indandeessa. Indandeessa waan jedhu ana gammeedha.
Gammachuu? Maal na tola gattee?
Va. Omaan jechu kashti. Kool piraankii si godheera. Kool piraankii si godheera omaan jettu.
Lakkii. Ifa yaada.